Hello and welcome to Do It. Today we are putting the K40 laser to the test, matching it up against one of the greatest artists of all time, Rembrandt, and seeing if it can really capture the minute detail that he included in so many of his sketches. But before that, we have to hone in the power for our raster settings. So it wasn't as obvious as I thought it might have been. At 25%, we got a very nice textured engraving. At 20%, it was very noticeable, but not too light. At 15%, we were getting in the much too light zone. And at 17.5%, it just wasn't any better than 15. So see if you can guess what I did on the next two. I was thrilled with how these things came out. The K40 did a great job capturing all those little nuances, and after a little sanding and polyurethane, the things shimmer and have this incredible aesthetic. So now that we've done Rembrandt, how about we take a look at some others and add a splash of color? So we have the laser fired up, and you might as well go ahead and do a Ninja Turtles one because we're doing the Masters anyway. Anyway, I enjoy it. And if you enjoy this content too, we encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you hit the bell, it will give you notifications the next time we post. And as always, thanks for watching.